Abusiafo on this festive season, Eid Mubaraka, Yenuanum Kamufo, Eidino, and His Excellency Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, the Vice President, Ede Ebobaku, Ekum Enomami, Yenin say until now on Setting Record Street on LGBTQ, Nene, as him say, and a walk for Kahon, Jiberna Yinti, Emunchi.
Na Vice President, and now one day to Franca, Ede Ama MPP Amanyuko, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. One and now, dear Trujak, Akacha Ghana for Sasembiba, now on Kasaya, Nanya so near some of the Kawaho, Nemum, war try, the right time, the right moment, the right point, now Akasa, and Crawford beside, and LGBTQ plus. On Kabi and then Nakura Wohim Franca, Edema MPP Amanyoko, Wasum Etia, and Tubaka then found. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia said, me, I know if you talk, men kasa. Now, Swene, Watuna Numutro, Akacha Ghana for na Ebra eat prayers, and Pai Wakrunkri air coso. Now, what Musa no crania meanim, Nesuma wasum no, Etia. At the time pa when him so ba any be or Bible kwakwa dem esene ye de ade ahyehyehye ho bema ebe hu ne nua bema ne to bare nwensi wose no ana mepe me de be sha to wose se bi airtime pa wose ene wo gina ne nuanum nyina Ghana fo nyina dem no waka se koran kronkron no etia Koran ni baby enu wa ya choro se woba ni oba na na bema ni bema na enti oso ono eyade ane sumtia wono ankasa ni padua se vice president se flag bearer no wose enu nso otia wode sansem we nyina to dwa wo asantemantem ebra wo hia na empire bokronkron no ekoso eno de sansem etu edwa.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this opportunity to personally comment on the raging issue of LGBTQ in Ghana. First of all, it is important to note that our cultural and societal norms and values as Ghanaians frown on the practice of homosexuality. Furthermore, as a Muslim, my view on this matter aligns with the position of my religious faith.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
The Holy Quran is replete with verses frowning on LGBTQ acts, including same-sex marriages. My faith is, therefore, very strictly against the practice of homosexuality. No ifs or buts, no shades of grey. Therefore, I personally cannot support that which my religion and indeed all major religions in Ghana, as well as our societal norms and values, clearly and unequivocally forbid. All the major religious traditions in Ghana, Christianity and Islam, are opposed to this practice. And I stand opposed to it now, and I will stand opposed to it as president. Inshallah.
Na dwumadie ne yeto yensa from mampani na nado dan kwakufu ado sa wonfa nanum onyam emetai echire o mampani kodu dwumadie na se wo se nanum gasa nyina ye ba ko pe wo se Allah ho den e de maye nuanum osramifo nyina enu achi wo se sasumdwe betimi atena o man mu pa dia na ji se ye nyina yete ye ho ase na enye se me de me mosramini na me de me kwa asori nti wo nka me ho na me de me yi apaye nti wo nka me ho wo se ye nyina ye ntena se asumdwem enu nko a na beboa ama o man Ghana atimi afa ne ntoma papa afra na asumdwe na ye kura no ekoso awo ye nsem.
Would one of you like to eat the flesh of his dead brother? Let us thus remember that this country is more important than our personal egos, interests, and ambitions. Chief Imam, Ulama, Jama'ah, I have never retreated from my conviction that education is our sure way out of poverty, disease, and ignorance. Whilst my government does its part to ensure the development of the human capital in Zogo communities, which will provide some 1.3 million tablets to students in senior high schools. That is one student, one tablet. All of these initiatives can only be meaningful if we take a keen interest in the education of our children. Certainly, let us give them the standard Makaranta training, but by all means, let us ensure that they learn enough of the secular sciences to ensure that they become key players and well-rounded individuals in the development of the country. Ghana continues to be the envy of the world on account of the religious harmony that we foster among adherents of different religions in a secular state which advocates religious freedom. I pray you to continue to promote religious harmony and coexistence. It is the essence of Islam, which means peace and submission to the will of Allah. I wish you a blissful celebration. Let us celebrate in moderation so we can emerge from the celebrations in one piece to continue with nation building. I wish all Muslims and Ghanaians a happy Eid al-Fitr, and may God bless us all in our homeland Ghana and make her great and strong. Eid Mubarak, Baraka da Salah, Salam Alaikum.
Enkane mampeni John Dramani Mahama wano ane ehim franka edi ama endi samanyoko wachese wano nso akomchi no de ne ho hyemu pa na enedey wone adehia ewo ablekuma famok ene enkramantam heya ene kohyia fefefe kama pa wano nso ekodi ni de ewo ho na wachese edu Eid empa ebokronkron ya nokre eye bra Muslimini bia tsenase no bu nkompo hwe nachi ehwe eboa ala aboanom ebambo ala aboa ne ho ban ababedu empempen so kra ababedu no wotwa nani ekohwe nachi na wahwe se ekwan ben so na mefa so amanyi apem so akomanim eninti ene dey ebre wokohia ene okacha se masem nyina ye ba akopani ameka ne se ebre ye ne ye akomchi awie na ye di nyina ba wie ya yatena se ye bompa ye ada alase na ya pem akoyanimu wosre pa wose ye manketwa na eba no enka no no ne bre so wose na omkọ makalanta omkọ kosua ade ho ye kire won kwan ombefa so adodo wo ho ekon beti wo ho ase wose ye ne se ye gyan ni nyina de a yensan koyechi yenkire nkwala ne wodo yenkire nkwala ne kwan e befa so amma foforo mikurade mienu a mema menua bia ensese ye meya wose yenkire se ye wahumobro ema ehu na eno ene ne nsema ene kopie mu ewo ni nuanom ewo ablekuma famok no one wo nyina ekodi nkomo wose ala ahoodin edema obia wose se ene idil adai enye asumdwe enye odo na enkaboma Ghana ye nyina ye kurama ye hia ye nua ye sere echia efemfam ye hono enkoso entina ose omobia Eid Mubaraka ene wono so ensem wode atu eja so ejina ye nua no mustamifo ensem ya